In the name of God. Hello, my dear friends. I'm Rosa, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful cushion at home. It's so easy to make. So follow the video and watch it completely to learn how to make it. I call it a star knotted cushion. So we start. This braid's length is about 3 meters, but we need 2.5 meter braid. We start to tie the braid in this way. First, put it this way so that the dark side of the velvet carpet is toward yourself. And start to tie it in an ordinary way. We need 5 petals. So one, two, three, 4, 5. 5 is done. Then start to double the braid. We should bend this one here and put the head of the braid here, as you see. Turn the braid so that the sewing seams are hidden. After that, we are here. We should bend it again here. Look at it. Here, and put it here. I turn the braid and hide the sewing seams and put it here. Pull it out. This knotted pillow is so easy to make. Look at that. Then we should again bend the braid in this way and put it down from here and take it from here, this way. And this one should be double again. We put it here and take it from here. Look at the cushion. It's done. Then you should cut the surplus braid and sew these two together. I will sew it in front of you and finish the knotted cushion. Look at that. Organize the braids so that the sewing seams are hidden. I will organize it and come back again to show you how to sew the braids together. Look at this. We turn them so that the sewing seams are hidden. I will come again and show you how to sew it. Sew these two together. see, I finished sewing these two together and covered it with a leader that my name is on it, and I organize it so that the sewing seams are hidden. It's so nice. Try it and make it at home and enjoy having it. Goodbye.